Welcome to Nookly.
Luca and his mom were getting ready for a trip to the supermarket. But before they left, they sat down to practice some food words with Luca's talker buddy. Luca tapped apple and smiled as his talker buddy spoke the word. Next came cheese and milk. Luca was getting really good at it. "Great job, Luca," said Mom. "Now let's see if we can find all these foods at the store." Luca nodded, excited for the adventure. At the supermarket, Luca saw a pile of bright oranges. He tapped orange on his talker buddy, and Mom added a few to their cart. In the bakery, the warm smell of fresh bread filled the air. Luca tapped bread, and they picked out a loaf together. Next, they reached the cheese aisle. Luca's eyes lit up as he tapped cheese. Mom knew it was his favorite, so she added it to the cart. In the dairy section, Luca pointed to his favorite milk carton. He gave his talker buddy a quick tap, saying milk, and Mom smiled as she placed it in the cart. As they reached the frozen section, Luca spotted some colorful popsicles. He tapped popsicle, and Mom picked out the flavor he liked best. At the checkout, Luca helped place the groceries on the counter. He tapped pay on his talker buddy, feeling proud to help finish the trip. Back home, Luca helped put the groceries away. "You did great today," said Mom. Luca was so happy that his talker buddy was there to help the whole day.
You can create your personalized learning adventures day with Nookly.